Morning, boys. Ian, you dressed?
No, I'm just watching TV naked like I always do.
Could I come down with camera?
Yeah, sure.
How's it going, man?
Pretty good.
$100 cash there. You want to film today?
What is this?
Monopoly money. Star Wars Monopoly.
Doesn't even look like Monopoly. Okay, first of all, it's not money, and second, there's nowhere near $100.
Yes, I don't know.
There's maybe 30.
It was in my wallet.
Where do you live?
Anyway, you want to film?
Yeah, sure, I'm down.
Let's go. Back in action. We're back in the action, boys.
So what's up? What are we filming today?
Oh, word. Actually, yeah. Let's get a good light. That's good enough lighting. I wanted you to tattoo my face today. I had a cool idea.
You want me to tattoo your face?
Yeah.
I don't know how to tattoo. Like, I don't know how that's gonna work.
That was like an actual tattoo gun, yo. It's just kind of like, I want to see how I'd look.
So, like, what, you want me to draw on your face with Sharpie?
Let's test your drawing skills for a second. This could be a good bit. Alright, bro, so I actually had a plan of how we're gonna do the tattoos. You brought up drawing. Maybe you can do a better job. Wow. Hold on, pen. Message drawer. Everyone's got one, boys. Here. Show me your drawing skills.
Okay, is there anything in particular you want me to draw?
Anything you want. Stickman. Or like a person. Draw a person, I guess. Not stickman. Whatever you're capable of. Maybe it'll be better than what I already have planned.
I'm not really much of a drawer.
I know, I just thought this would be a good bit for the video. I'm kind of curious to see how that would pan out, because maybe you just draw a Sharpie on my face. I want to see how I look with rapper tattoos. Are you done?
Like...
Okay. I think we'll go with my other plan. You got donut as hands.
That's not what a donut looks like.
Thanks, man. You can put that away now. It's kind of strange to look at. I actually got a little pissed off. Okay, enough.
I just realized I forgot something. There. Does it look more realistic now?
Yeah,
Is that
beautiful.
better?
Yeah. Okay. Next, plan B. Dear God. Alright, boys, my bad. I didn't really explain this video. I got too caught up making you draw. I don't know why. I've never seen you draw before, so I thought that.
Well, now you know why.
Anyway, boys.
Oh God, I saw that in a camera. I saw it. I was like, Jesus, who's coming up behind me?
It's Beat, man. It's the boy.
I'm a good man. I can get you laid in 6 months.
Anyway, boys, I honestly gotta give credit to somebody who randomly commented on my video the other day. Wow, this right here, I'm like, dude, that's a great idea. He commented, you should like tattoo, I can't remember the comment, but he's like, you should get every rapper's tattoo on your face or something like that. I'm like,
isn't that a lot of them?
It's like a lot of them, so we're just gonna like do one of a few. I thought it was a sick idea. Now, boys, first off, give a huge thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys support the channel. We're giving away, where the hell is it? We're giving away this thing right here. Bust Down Diamond Watch. Make it a little easier today. 1,500 thumbs up within the day. Today only, somebody's getting that watch. All you gotta do is like, thumbs up, comment down below. It's 3 things. 2 things meant the same thing. Following yet? I'm not following anything. I don't even know what I'm saying. I gotta rewatch all this, because I went black for a second. I just blacked out and spoke. I don't think anything made sense.
You spoke.
Boys, we have fun here. We're not just laughing for the video. It was weird. Okay, what was I gonna say next? Anyway, I want to do this video because I feel like everyone at one point in time has been like, I wonder if I would look sick with a face tattoo. Well, today, and I thought that as well. Ian, have you thought that? Maybe we'll put one on you.
No, I think we'll see how it looks on you first.
It might be just me. All right. Anyway, I thought today, boys. Where's the product? Hold on one second. This is a mess. I just woke up. We both woke up, and I said, "Hey, Ian, let's film."
I've been awake for a couple hours, but. So typical filming was Bran. He asked for a quick intermission. What is he doing? Having a drink on the driveway with her neighbor. Why? I don't know. But this is life, I guess.
Sorry, boys. Quick intermission. Back at it.
Yeah, I know. Okay. I already got it.
You found it?
We vlogged it, yeah.
Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah, good job. Thank you.
I mean, you say film everything.
Thank you. Plan for today, Amazon. We got a bunch of different rappers here for Halloween. When people dress up as rappers for Halloween, they like do the fake tattoos. We're gonna put fake tattoos of a bunch of different rappers on my face because I think it'll be fun. That's pretty much it. I'll open this one, you open this one. Okay, so we got a few rappers here, boys. Obviously, my face only has so much space. You know, I'm working with a freaking oval as it is, but it's not that big. First rapper we're working with, who's that?
Oh yeah?
Can you tell me?
XXX, yeah.
Okay, we got XXX Tentacion. I'm gonna put that on my head.
Malone Temporary.
Malone. Who's that? You know who that is? Got his autograph right there.
Postal Malone?
Post Malone.
Oh, yeah, Post, okay. Yeah.
You know him?
Yeah, I've heard of him.
This guy right here, you know who that is?
Oh, yeah, Takeshi 69.
6'9", but close, yes. And this guy right here.
Lil Xan? Who
Xan.
Who the F is this?
I'm not a giant fan myself, boys, but he's got some very recognizable tattoos. Without further ado, put their tattoos on my face, shall we? Now, shout out Nick Caution, by the way. Sick freaking merch in the rap game. Boys, a gem. Alright, let's put these on my freaking dome.
So what's the point of this? We're just putting tattoos in your face?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, classic video.
Yeah, pretty much. Got that cam. Thanks, bro. Yeah. Alright, boys, so here's where we're gonna do it. Obviously, 6'9". I think we're gonna get the 6'9" right here for the face. XXX Tentacion, I think we're gonna get the tree, the classic tree he's got right on his forehead here. And maybe if they come with the lines, we'll do the lines. That'd be sick. Zan, of course, you might do the ZZZ with the drops. And then we got, I don't know what I'm gonna do with Post Malone. That's the thing. We're gonna cut these up and start to apply. This is dumb. I think you just do this, right? I haven't put one of these on in a few days.
Few days?
Yeah.
Okay.
How long do you set the thing for?
It probably came with instructions.
Well, I think I cut them up.
Oh yeah, here's a piece.
Oh, now what can you do?
Wait 10 seconds. That's all I can read.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, you fuck. Oh. Wow, first one done, boys. I guess I could have gotten a little bit better.
Oh, well yeah, the other red line just fell off.
Oh, really?
You got a slippery floor in here, man.
Next, we're going this one, the classic one right here, 6'9". Where did he have that on his face? Right side, left side? First off, what do you think, boys? I mean, it's we lost a line. It might not be centered, but...
I shaved before
I
this.
do have whiskers. Yeah, shoot. I didn't think about that. I shouldn't have gotten stoned before this.
Okay, now it makes sense.
Let's go XXX Tentacion, the numb one now. I think that's over his left eye. Look at the picture, left, right eye.
Oh, it's underneath his left eye, his right eye.
Do this, do this. You guys asked for different content, I'm giving it to you now. You guys are gonna be like, Brand, this was lame. I'll tell you to suck one. Dude, I'm looking sick. Cause we gotta put on the 6'9" one real quick.
How long do these things take to come out anyway?
I don't think it come out for a few days.
Man, so you're just gonna have 6'9" on your forehead for a week?
I think so.
Don't you have to do your taxes? What? What? What's wrong?
The main thing, bro. Damn it! I look like an asshole now. The 6. It's over my eyebrow.
Oh yeah, it's right on your eyebrow.
And this is supposed to be up here, dude. What am I doing? Oh god. All right, we got more to go, boys. I'm turning into a freaking rapper today. Let's do it. I don't know. You know what? Come here. Let's try this one right here. Why are we doing this?
Okay, that's on top of the 69.
That one?
What? No, that's even worse.
What?
That's much worse. No, like the 6'9" covers most of your forehead.
Oh god. Wait. Here?
That could work.
Oh no. Boys, I'm never listening to your comments again for a video. Ever. In paper, like think about this. On paper, it sounds like a sick idea. Now that I'm doing it, I look like an asshole. I kind of feel a little cool with this numb one. To be honest, like that one I'm not too mad at. But like the rest of them, this is ridiculous. Just gonna use this picture as a mirror real quick. Wow. How's that look? Dear God. These last a few days, eh?
I really don't know.
Then again, my family won't be too,
Yeah, honestly, I feel like at this point they know. They know what they expect.
Does that look cool?
You know what? That one's probably the best.
Really, eh? Yeah, I'm kind of looking at my reflection here. Look at the reflection. I'm looking at a reflection of X and my reflection and the reflection of X. What else? Are we done? Of course. The tree. Shoot. Okay. If this one doesn't look sick, because I've been thinking of getting a tattoo right here, then it's a lost cause.
Oh, it's right onto the 6.
Really?
Yeah, like it fully overlaps.
Just turn it. I'm done, bro. Just turn it off.
Wait, come on. I saw.
Dear God. I had this picture in my head that like it would turn out, this video would actually like make me look really sick. Like, wow, actually Brand does look really cool with like freaking face tattoos. I'm not gonna do it now.
Yeah, I think too many too fast.
And this isn't even, what is it? It looks like a toddler put this on my face. I don't think this through. Stupid. Not reading your comments again, boys. It did look good on paper, right, bro?
Man. You know, I'm not trying to diss you or anything, but like I thought the whole idea of this video was that I was gonna put the tattoos on.
Oh yeah, I did it.
Yeah, like not even with a mirror. Dude, wait.
God damn it, man.
Dude, the numb's upside down.
No, it isn't.
The numb is upside down.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it totally is, man.
What a wreck.
It's maybe the only one that went on clean.
I'm mad at this point, bro.
The only one that went on clean and it's upside down.
Thanks for watching, boys. Saw it look with tattoos.
I mean, from a distance, it does look like you're bleeding out of both eyes.
Girlfriend's up, boys. Sorry.
Oh my God, Brandon!
Not good.
What's on your face?
I was trying to see if I would. Whatever. So not sick?
No.